And it doesn't look too dirty. It's not too bad. I have about 1,800 miles driven on the car. Let's compare it to the actual replacement. Here we go. Actual versus replacement.
You need some gas on.
What is going on, YouTube? Thank you for tapping into another episode of James Atkins TV, and you already know your boy is back with a banger of a video. Wait, actually, what I need is outside. In today's vlog, we're going to be doing another modification to the C8, and as you guys know, I told you that I'm going to be doing some modifications as we go along in this process, and I wanted to go ahead and start with a few of the essentials, and I believe that this is one of those things. I decided to order the Attack Blue cold air intake for the C8 Corvette, and it's a very simple install for the most part, seen it on YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk you guys through it, show you so that you see what it is, see how it goes on, and I haven't cold started the vehicle, so I want to see what it actually sounds like as well. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Like I said, I ordered it from Attack Blue air filter. I forget how much it was that I paid for it. I think it was about 100 bucks or 55 bucks, I'm not sure. Let's get this opened up here. Seems like it comes with some directions for how to do it. And this is cold air intake. It's actually a little bit heavier than I thought it would be. This is what it looks like in this packaging. I'll just take it out of the packaging actually. All right, this is what it is. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy set up and installed. All right, folks, so if you're not familiar with the Attack Blue air filter, long story short, and I'm not gonna try to remember all of this, it is a nano performance filter. You can clean it with soap and water. You're supposed to change this. It is recommended to change it every 10,000 miles. And pretty much it's gonna allow the engine to get more cold air induction from the side inlets. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. It should be a very straightforward, simple install, and I'll walk you through that starting right now. All right, so you wanna start out by opening up the rear hatch, taking off the cargo net if you have a cargo net. After you take the cargo net out, you can just move it to the side. And then you have to remove these little covers where your roof snaps in. You remove these with 8 screws with the T15. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these now. All right, so once you have all of the screws removed, you can just pull these out, put them somewhere to the side. And that part is done. The bottom portions where these little screws are, just unscrew these. All right, so once you get those 2 tabs taken out, you can just pull this carpet up and out and place it to the side. And one thing that isn't really shown is that there's 2 little holes right here that have like push tabs on the bottom of the carpet that I highly doubt I'll be able to push back in, but I'll give it a try. Now I have to go ahead and remove these T15 screws all the way around. I'm gonna do that now. Now that I have the T15 screws removed, and just go ahead and remove this protective cover. All right, and last step before exposing the air filter, I have to remove these 8mm bolts around there. And I believe there are 6 of those. And because I don't want to drop any of the bolts down here, I'm going to lay down a microfiber towel to cover this just in case anything falls. All right, so I have my microfiber towel down. Time to go ahead and remove these bolts, 8mm. All right, so that is exposing the air filter now. Just gonna put that on the ground there. And this air filter should pop out by pulling it from the bottom, but it's on there. Yep, easy, there we go. And it doesn't look too dirty, it's not too bad. I have about 1,800 miles driven on the car. Let's compare it to the actual replacement. Here we go, actual versus replacement. Yeah, not bad. Not too dirty here. I definitely can see that it did collect some pollen for sure. Some pollen is in there. But let's go ahead and get the replacement installed on there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so there's a little notch out at the top here on the Attack Blue air filter. And that notch matches the inside on the upper part of the air intake inlet. So the directions say to kind of push this in bottom first and then kind of wiggle it on. It's going to be a tight fit. So let's just go ahead and put this on there now. All right, folks, and just like that, the filter is in place. All right. Yeah, it was, like they said in the instructions, a very tight fit. You definitely gotta move around with it and play with it just to get it in there. But once it's in there, you'll definitely know that it's there. It's not moving at all. So let me just go ahead and replicate the steps to take everything off, and we'll be done with this video. Just like that. All right, guys, and there we go. And just like that, everything is back like it was. So yeah, let's just get a cold start and see if we can tell the difference. All right, guys, before we get the cold start going, wanted to say go ahead and drop a like on this video if you haven't already. We have a 50 like goal going for this video. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the new intro video. I had to get rid of the Camaro. It's time for the Corvette intro video. So anyway, let's go ahead and drop this cold start now. I'm not sure. I don't know, YouTube. I can't really tell. I'm inside the garage right now. Let's get this turned off. I'm inside the garage right now, so I can't really tell. So you know what? Next YouTube video that I drop, probably, maybe not the very next one, but I want to give you guys a review of whether or not I can feel the horsepower gain. According to TKO Performance, they're saying that this is going to give us 11 added horsepower. So there is supposed to be some horsepower gain, and they actually say on the website this is horsepower or power gains that you can actually feel. So let's just see. I'm going to give you guys an honest review of whether or not I think this is something that you can feel the power on. This was about 150 bucks after I looked it up. Not sure exactly how much it was after taxes nonetheless. Be sure, if you're still tapped in right now, to drop a like on the video, comment down below on what you think the horsepower gains will be, whether or not you think I'll actually feel it or not, as well as subscribe to the channel, man. Every subscribe goes a long way. I really, truly appreciate all the love and all the support that you guys have been giving, man. It's truly felt, But nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and finish wrapping up all this stuff, clean up the car a little bit, and then call it a day for tonight. Anyway, it's your boy, JamesAtkinsTv, man, and I'm out.